Okay, to give you an introduction, FutureSkills Prime is a digital skilling platform, which is a joint initiative between the Government of India and NASSCOM. Okay, NASSCOM is the apex body of the IT sector in India. Okay, and this particular course, that is the business process management that you are going to, learn for this semester, it is, curated by the BPM industry themselves. Okay, so you have a direct content that is coming from the industry themselves. So this will give you an overview of the BPM industry. So what is the career expectations there, and what is actually customer service, and for you in particular, it is the tech support course. So technical support na enna. So அந்த மாதிரி details you will be finding it in this particular course. And there is no lab in this course. It's fully theory. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு set of modules இருக்கும். So அந்த எல்லா modules-உம் நீங்க complete பண்ணணும். And after each module, you will have a small quiz. Okay, it will be just a small ஒரு 4 to 5 questions. So அது அந்த quiz முடிச்ச உடனே உங்களுக்கு badges கிடைக்கும். And finally, நீங்க இந்த full course முடிச்ச உடனே you will be having an assessment. Okay, and that assessment will be a 1-hour AI proctored assessment. Okay, it will be on the tougher side. So you have to really prepare well for the assessment. Okay, so I will just initially, take you through the login process. So this will be your non-Mudalvan platform. Okay, so you need to enter your username and password here. Okay, உங்களுக்கு already இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா இந்த non-Mudalvan user ID and password. So அந்த password போட்டுட்டு இந்த captcha numbers போட்டுட்டு you can just click on login. Okay, so அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னா you will be you need to go to the mandatory courses. So in the BPM course is actually a mandatory course for you. Okay, so when you click on mandatory courses, so this is what you will see on your screen. Okay, business process management. So you just have to click on watch. Okay, so once you click on watch, okay, you will get a pop-up like this. Okay, so இதுதான் உங்களோட NASSCOM ஓட user ID. That is now இப்போ வந்துட்டு இத click proceed பண்ண உடனே it will take you to the NASSCOM website or the FutureSkills Prime login page க்கு போகும். So this will be the user ID that you should use. So you just click on copy, அது automatic உங்களுக்கு copy ஆயிடும். And just click on proceed. Okay, so here this will be the page that will open up for you. So இங்க வந்துட்டு you just put your the copy பண்ண அந்த ஐடியா இங்க copy paste பண்ணிட்டு for the password everybody should use the same common password, which is welcome at 123. Okay, with the W caps welcome at 123. So in the PPT முடிஞ்சோன்னா we will also share a video demo with you. So அதுல உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு we will have presented in a video format as well. Then after that you click on login. நீங்க இப்ப முதல்ல பாத்துக்கோங்க. So then after that I will give you some time so that you can all register after seeing this. Okay, ஏதாவது questions இருக்குங்களா?
Good morning, everyone. Seems like Rufina is dropped out. Let's wait for some time, please.
Hello? Yeah, sorry guys, I had a small technical issue. Hello, is it clear now? Yeah. Hello? Okay, sorry. Had a small technical glitch. I'm just resharing my screen again. Okay, so where was I? You need to put the non-mudalvan@gmail.com. So you just have to copy that. அங்கிருந்து copy பண்ணிட்டு இங்க போட்டுக்கோங்க and put your welcome, your password as welcome at 123 W caps. Okay, then click on login. So in the first initial நீங்க login பண்ணும்போது, you have to complete a small sign up process. Okay, so அதுக்கப்புறம் next time onwards when you join, when you log in from non-முதல்வன் portal, உங்களுக்கு டைரக்டா வந்துட்டு கோர்ஸுக்கு it will take you to the course page. Okay, so in the first இந்த ஒரு 4 steps இருக்கும். So அது just be be attentive. இதை கொஞ்சம் கரெக்டா பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Okay, so here you need to give your first name, and you can check your first name. Like in case you have any issues with the name, you just correct it here itself, so that it matches your government ID. Okay, so all your certificates and badges will be issued on this name. So you just check your name. Automatically உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கும் because already நீங்க onboard ஆயிருக்கீங்க in the backend. Okay, so in case you want to change your name or correct it, you can do it in this particular page. Okay, and then give your the email ID will be automatically populated. Okay, so here you need to enter your date of birth, gender, then the district, pin code. So you need to, select it from a drop down. You just type it and then select it from the drop down. Same way, select the month and the year from the drop down box. Okay, and select your gender and then give your pin code. So once you pin code type பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம், once you select it from the drop down, automatically the city, state, and country all will be populated. Okay, and this is a very important step. Okay, since this is a government site, you need to enter your, you need to like register your phone number. So, உங்களுக்கு phone number போட்டுட்டு, if you click on verify, you will receive an OTP. Okay, it's a 4-digit OTP. So, on the OTP number, you need to enter in those boxes. So, once you click on verify, you will get an OTP number on your mobile. ஒரு OTP number mobileல வரும். So, அந்த நம்பரை வந்துட்டு நீங்க அந்த 4 boxesல போடணும். Okay. Okay, suppose உங்களுக்கு mobile இல்ல something na, you can use your friend's mobile as well. It should not be a problem. So அந்த OTP நீங்க இதுக்கு போடலாம். Okay. So make sure that you give that 5 minutes gap. ஏன்னா ஒரு OTP is valid only for 5 minutes. Okay. So then you will receive a confirmation, confirm button இங்க கீழ வரும். So அந்த இது confirmation button you need to press. Okay. So here you need to select your the next page. And the confirm கொடுத்தோடனே it will take you to the next page. So the occupationல வந்துட்டு you need to select it as student. Okay, and then you need to give your education details. Like so it will be undergraduate for you. Okay. So on the last page of your sign up, you need to just select 3 interests. So it doesn't matter which 3 you are selecting. ஏதாவது ஒரு 3 நீங்க select பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so once you select that, you just click on finish and then your sign up process is over. So this will take you to the home page. So this is the home page. So inge where you have to go is you have to click on the third tab there, that is groups. So this tab, if you click, you will be able to view your group. So already unga ellaryum we have, added you to the NM group. Okay. So unga university name will be mentioned in that group. So once you click on that group, உங்களுக்கு courses வந்துட்டு automatically we have, just click on NASSCOM certified job roles. That will be the third tab. Okay, so your course that you are taking, so for you it is BPM Associate in Tech Support. So that will be the course that is showing up for you. Okay. So next time when you are going into the platform from your non-Mudalvan portal, you will be automatically taken into the course page itself. So உங்களுக்கு இந்த home page அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. Directly you will be going into the course itself. Okay. So in the course that I will show you live as well. I will take you through the platform live as well. But before that, see, this is how it will look. You'll have a lot of pathways stitched together for this particular course. So each pathway will have a set of audios or some articles. So that will make an entire, usually pathways, it will be around 30 to 35 minutes. So அந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு there will be a lot of pathways. So customer service essential module, you have one pathway. BPM industry overview, you will have some 8 pathways. So on the mari till the end you should go, and finally you will reach this artificial intelligence pathway. So once that is complete, only your entire course is complete. Okay. So in case you are stuck in between, you want some help, any technical help, you just have to click this help button. And the pink color button in the corner. So on the button, if you click, you will be taken to a chatbot. Okay, AI enabled chatbot. So you can type in any questions that you want and it will get answered. Okay. And in case you want to know anything about, about FutureSkills Prime, you have this, you have a lot of FAQs available on this about Prime link. Okay, so click there, you will have a lot of information on this, like how to write your assessments, and all those details will be given, provided in this particular page. Okay, so there is something else like I wanted to show you. So this is, if you want to see a snapshot of your learning, or what the badges that you have acquired, or the certificates that you have acquired, you have to go to, like, under your name. If you click, you will have this profile. So just click on profile. So you will be able to view what are your current learning. Plus, if you click on this skills passport, there is a second tab called skills passport. Okay, so when you click on skills passport, okay, so here you will be able to view your certificates as well as the badges. And you can even, there is a share button, so where you can share it on your social media as well. Okay. So thank you. I can even, I will also show you live on the platform. So, but before that, I would, like you all to, try logging in now. So in case you have any doubts or any clarifications, we will be able to help you out right now. So will you be able to do that? Sorry. Okay, pin code can be anything, like even your home pin code will do. Any other questions? You can even type it, or if you want to, speak, you can raise your hand. I will, allow you to speak. See, non-முதல்வன், it's not, how do you normally log in? Because I think all your courses, you actually access your non-முதல்வன், right? நீங்க non-முதல்வன் platform போயிட்டு தானே நீங்க எல்லா courses-உம் access பண்ணுவீங்க. So, அதே மாதிரி you have to go to non-முதல்வன் portal. உங்க யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்ட் நீங்க எப்பவுமே போடுற மாதிரி போட்டுட்டு, ஸோ அங்கிருந்து you have to start logging in. ஓகே. நான் முதல்வன் நீங்க யாரும் யூஸ் பண்ணது இல்லைங்களா? So, நீங்க third years தானே already you will have a non-முதல்வன் user ID password, right? What have you've been using last year also? Yes. So please use that and first log in into the non-முதல்வன் portal. Can you all try doing it now? ஸோ இப்போ பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ், ஏதாவது டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்தா we will be able to help you. ஓகே. மேண்டேட்டரி கோர்ஸ் வரலையா உங்களுக்கு? No, I didn't get you. Many students have the problem that they cannot directly go into the portal. They use Google password. In the portal are you talking about? Is it see, because for FutureSkills Prime, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு நான் முதல்வன் போர்ட்டல் ஆக்சஸ் இல்லைங்களா? But how is that possible? Okay. Because உங்களுக்கு நான் முதல்வன் ஐடி வச்சு தான் உங்களால இதை லாகின் பண்ண முடியும். Just a second, let me just check with the non முதல்வன் team and get back to you. Just give me 2 Please hold on, guys. I'm just checking with the non-Mudalvan team. Is is there anyone who's able to log in and see the enrolled mandatory courses? Spox யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா? Sir or ma'am? Like if there is any Spock or can you lift your hand? I mean, I will just, allow you to speak because I need to ask something. Okay. I've promoted to a panelist. Could you please, log in back as a panelist? Could you please log in back as a panelist? Penny Spock is available. I think Unga Spocks have to actually, align this course to you. So only then it will be available on the mandatory course list. So I think that is the reason it is not coming. Okay, is there anybody யாருக்காவது தெரியற மாதிரி யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா? Like the mandatory course உங்களுக்கு visible இருக்கா யாருக்காவது? Okay, network issues, we can't do anything. So what I will do is, I think live உங்களுக்கு நான் இன்னொரு தடவை I will just try to show you. Okay, so I am trying to get into non-முதல்வன். Okay. So நான் direct browserல போறேன். So I have a test ID with me, which I'm using. Okay. So I don't know, it's taking some time. So I just spoke to the non-முதல்வன் team also. So Spox வந்துட்டு allocate அந்த course allocate பண்ணாதான் students will be able to view the mandatory course. So உங்க sir இல்லாட்டி ma'am வந்துட்டு they will allocate the courses to you. So once that is done, உங்களுக்கு mandatory coursesல இந்த course will be viewable. Okay, there is some network issue. I think so many people are trying to log in, அதனால வரல போல இருக்கு. உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் இதே இஷ்யூ தான் வருதுங்களா? Okay. I think all of us are trying to log in. So நான் முதல்வன்ல கொஞ்சம் traffic problems போல இருக்கு. Okay, I think it's a network issue. So whoever is, maybe after this call, you can just, try logging in. ஏதாவது issues இருந்ததுன்னா, you can just let your Spox know so that they can come back to us. Okay, I'll also play you a video. So the same video we will be, showing it to you as well. Or, we will share it with you. Okay, so mandatory course illana, that means I think the new courses are yet to be allocated. Niharika and Guberan. So unga Spock allocate panna odane the mandatory course will be shown up for you. Meanwhile, I will just play you the video. Are you able to see?
Rufina, I think there is no voice coming for the video.
Okay, is it? 1 second. Okay.
you need to unshare and then reshare. When you reshare, you'll get a option on the
Okay.
sharing window to enable the voice.
Is it coming now?
No.
Okay, I am not getting any option. So, Deepali, I don't think I'm getting any options for, the audio. So we'll do one thing. I will just share it over the WhatsApp groups. Will it work without the headphones? Let me just try that. Nan Mudalvan ID followed by
Yes, it's
@gmail.com.
working now.
Yeah. Then enter the password welcome @123. It's W capital ELCOME @123. Only W is capital, everything else is in small letters. Click on login. You will land on the onboarding page of the platform. This is the first page which comes, which has your first name and last name. You can correct your first name and last name here. Please make sure that the spelling of the name is correct and that the name matches the government ID which you possess. It is important to check your first name and last name on this page because all the certificates and badges from this platform will be issued on this name. Click on next. Here on the second page, you need to enter other details like your date of birth. When you enter the year of birth, make sure that you are also selecting the same from the drop-down. Enter the month, then select it from the drop-down. Enter the date and select it from the drop-down. Enter the gender detail, enter the PIN code. Again, once you manually enter the PIN code, make sure to select it from the drop-down. On the basis of PIN code, the system will automatically fill the district, state, and country details here. Enter the mobile number and click on verify. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on the same mobile. Once you enter the OTP, you'll get a message your mobile number has been successfully verified. Click on next. Here you need to enter the occupation. Select one from the drop-down. Working professional, unemployed, or student. On the basis of the current occupation which you selected here, enter the other details like education details. If you have been offered an employment or are taking up a job, you can click here. Else you can just leave it blank. Click on next. This is the last page of the onboarding form. Here you need to select 3 knowledge areas of your interest. Big data analytics, artificial intelligence, blockchain. These are the 3 options which I selected as an example. You can select your interest areas here and then click on finish. Once you click on finish, your onboarding on the platform is completed and you're ready to start your learning. Share your onboarding experience for a better learning journey. You can share your experience here, else you can just cross this pop-up. To see the groups which you are a part of, click on groups. You will see the group name here. Click on the group card. It will open the group page. From here, go to NSQF certified job roles, and you will see the assigned learning which you are supposed to complete. Now let me show you how to update your profile or how to see your progress on the portal. Go to your profile from here. In your profile, go to Skills Passport. So you can see here under Skills Passport, I'm able to see that I've earned 13 badges and I've earned 1 certificate. I can also share these badges on social media. If I click on share, I'll get option to share them on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. So I can select any one option from here and share my badge directly on my profile. This is the certificate. In the similar way, I can share my certificate on social media. Under my profile, I can see the courses which I've completed, the progress. So these are the in progress courses for me. And if you want to know more about Prime, you can just click on my About Prime section here. You will also see a FAQs option. If I click on FAQs, you will get answers to most of your questions like assessments and certifications or anything about the paid courses on FutureSkills Prime. So you can just click on the card and you can go through the details given here. So this is a very helpful page for all the new learners. You will see our AI-enabled chatbot available to help you throughout the learning journey. This is the help button, which is visible on every page of the platform. Whenever you feel stuck, you can just click on this button. You can ask a question and you will get reply from here. This was the learning journey. You will get the link to reach the FutureSkills Prime platform on the Nan Mudalvan portal. Once you click on that link, you need to follow all the steps which we explained in this video. Complete your onboarding and start your learning journey. From here on, I hope you are ready to take charge of your skill development journey. Happy learning, everyone. Thank you. You. So this video also we will again share with you all. So in case you are, stuck in between. But otherwise, please keep trying to log in through your Nan Mudalvan portal. So I think for some of you, it would, the mandatory courses would still be available. So for those who are, it's available, you please try to log in right away. So since we are unable to, access due to network error in Nan Mudalvan portal, what I will do is I will directly, show you the platform live on FutureSkills Prime. Okay. Just a second. Here. I am using a sample Nan Mudalvan ID itself. Okay. So I'm using password as welcome at 123. Okay, but for you, when you log in from Non-Mudalvan portal, it will directly take you after the first sign up. It will directly take you to the course link. So you will not be actually coming into this homepage at all. Okay, so when you click on groups, no, you will see your group. For you, it will be BPM Madras University. So you will be part of the Madras University group. So if you click on that group, click on NASSCOM certified job roles, you will be able to view the course. Okay, see, for both the courses like insurance or BPM tech support, it's all the like only the domain part will change. So it's like, even if you open the tech support course as well, more or less most of the content will be the same except for the tech support part. Okay, so you will have to actually, go through the entire contents like that I'm showing you on the screen. So first will be just a card, it will just show you the introduction and scope. It's just an introduction to this course that you are going to learn. Okay, so it tells you like, what is a growth rate and, what can you expect from this course. So it's just a small card. You just need to press mark as completed so that that particular card is getting completed for you. Then you click on back. Okay, so when you complete, you will get a blue tick on your module. Okay, and next is a pathway. So as I told you, each pathway will be around 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, and when you click on each pathway, you will again be taken to a set of videos or articles. So this is how a pathway looks. Okay, so when you click on start, it will take you to each of those cards. So automatically, as you finish each card, it will take you to the next card. So the first one is just a small, a card. So it is actually telling you what are you going to learn in this pathway. Okay, so this also again you can just mark as completed and then move on to the next card. Okay, so the next card is a slide, a PPT. Okay, so you have some 8 slides in this PPT, so which talks about customer service. So you just go through each slide. Okay, so and once you complete it, you can mark it as completed. Okay. Similarly, you keep going through the next cards. So it could either be a PPT or a video, or it could actually be some article on the net. Okay. So it will be a combination of any of these three. So once you finish all these, okay, you will get a tick on each of those modules. Okay, so and your progress also will be shown. So once you complete all these, small modules, finally you will have a quiz. So after each, at the end of each pathway, you will have a small quiz. It will be just 4 or 5 questions. So once you complete that question, you will, those questions on the quiz, you will be eligible to get a badge. So this is the badge that you will get, a customer. So once you finish the customer service module, you will get a pathway, you will get a customer service essentials badge. Okay, so that you can view it on your profile. Okay, so similar way. So this is over. Now the next set, that is customer service pathway, is over, which has 1 module. And the next one, when you scroll down, you have this BPM industry overview. Okay, so BPM industry overview is again is a combination of it's like it's 8 modules that constitute the BPM industry overview. So each module is a pathway. So similarly, like each pathway, once you complete, you will find a quiz. So like this, under BPM, you have 8 modules. Okay. So as you come down the next, so since this is an insurance course that I'm showing you, you have but a domain, you have content on insurance domain. Okay, but for you, since it is tech support, you will have content on the tech support part alone. So that again here it is 12 modules. For tech support again it will be 10 to 12 modules. And then rest of like around 60% of the content will be around your professional skills, because that is very, very important when you are getting into a BPM role. Okay, so you have, 9 modules on collaboration, on teamwork, well-being, emotional intelligence. Okay, setting up learning goal, communication skills has around 20 modules. Then interview mantra, like how do you prepare for an interview? How do you create your CV? So all those things will be covered in this. And then finally, you will have 3 or 4 modules of emerging technologies, because that is very important. Even if you are in any stream, okay, you need to know about the emerging technologies that are currently, taking over the world. So you will have, a basic introduction to RPA, that is robotic process automation, big data, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Okay, so once you complete all this, you have completed the entire course. So totally it will come to around 33 hours of learning. So you can learn it at your own pace, but make sure you complete the entire course by March 15th. Okay. You can do it at your leisure at home, during your weekends, holidays. Okay, because this is just a, எல்லாம் theory தான். So உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். And it will be like very simple language also, ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So எல்லாம் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு you can do this mock assessment. Okay, the mock assessment is not paid, but don't do the assessment right now. So we will be sending the vouchers for your final assessment after March 15th. Okay, so in the mock assessment, it will just show you how your main assessment looks like. So since it is AI proctored, Nala, you need to have a laptop with a webcam, because it will keep on monitoring you while you are taking the test. So in the mock assessment, okay, you need to just proceed with order. So once you proceed with order, you need to give your PIN code. So அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு give your state. So all those details, once you see, automatically it is populated. Then you'll have the proceed option. You're not able to see that. Okay, so just click on proceed. So இங்க என்ன ஆகும்னா, you will have a ஒரு I agree button இருக்கும் இங்க, ஒரு check box. So if you check on that, you will be able to click on add payment. It will just show as 0 only. So when you click on add payment, okay, in a few seconds, you should be able to open the mock assessment. Okay, so mock assessment will be around 10 to 15 questions for half an hour. So that will give you an idea of how your main assessment is going to be. Okay. Any questions? So mandatory courses உங்களுக்கு if it is not viewing for you, நீங்க உங்க மேம் இல்லாட்டி சார கேளுங்க. So once they assign it to you, உங்களுக்கு அது mandatory courseல உங்களுக்கு this will be visible. Okay, so நான் அந்த PPTல காமிச்ச மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு automatically அந்த watch button நீங்க அமுத்தும் போது you will get a pop-up. So you just need to do a copy of that Gmail and use that same Gmail ID. Okay. ஏதாவது doubts இருக்குங்களா? You can keep on trying throughout the day. So உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது இல்ல doubt ஏதாவது இருந்ததுன்னா, like if you're able to log in successfully and after that you have any doubts, means there is a 3 o'clock session also. No, அதுக்கு கூட நீங்க if you want you can join. Okay, so if there are no more questions, can we log off? உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா, like how to log in அப்படின்னு? Raghu, what is not clear for you? Can you please tell that? See, all the steps will be so main வந்துட்டு நீங்க log நான் முதல்வன்ல you need to. Okay, so you want me to run through the PPT once again? Just a quick run through. Okay, fine. I'll just share my screen. Just for a few more minutes, we will just run through the PPT. Okay. So I will just take you just through the login process. Okay, so this is your non-முதல்வன் portal. So இங்க நீங்க உங்க non-முதல்வன் ID, username, password போட்டுட்டு you are entering into non-முதல்வன் portal. So உங்களோட அந்த இது mandatory courses linkல this particular course will be visible for you once your sir or ma'am will assign it to you. So அங்க courseல வந்துட்டு you have this watch link. So once you click on watch link, you will have a pop-up. And the pop-upல வந்துட்டு உங்க nmid@gmail.com ன்னு இருக்கும். So அதை வந்துட்டு automatically you can copy it using that copy button. So அதை copy பண்ணிட்டு you just click on proceed. It will directly take you, first time login பண்ணும்போது it will take you to this page. Okay, so இந்த pageல அந்த copy பண்ண idea you just have to paste it and put the password as welcome at 123. In the password மறந்துடாதீங்க. It's like common all for everybody also. Okay, and then first time login பண்ணும்போது இந்த ஒரு small sign up process will be there. Check your first name and last name. If it is wrong, you just make the corrections here itself. Okay, and then you enter your date of birth, gender, your address, that is PIN code, and the rest will be automatically populated. Enter your phone number, click on verify. You will get an OTP on the mobile number that you enter. Now enter your OTP and click on proceed. Okay, and then select your occupation as student, and then your education details you select as undergraduate. அதுக்கப்புறம் last screenல you just need to select any 3 learning interest, any 3 technologies and click on finish. Okay, so then you will be taken to your course. So you can click on groups. When you click on your group, on the name of your group, you will be taken to this page. So in the NASCOM certified job roles click பண்ணும்போது the course that is assigned to you will be visible. But when you're coming from non-portal, non-முதல்வன் portal, உங்களுக்கு டைரக்டாவே கோர்ஸ் லிங்க்லயே போயிடும். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இந்த ப்ராசஸ் இருக்காது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல் கிளியர் நவ். ஓகே, குட். ஸோ எல்லாரும் இதுக்கப்புறம் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. கீப் ட்ரைங் டு லாக் இன் டு non-முதல்வன் போர்ட்டல். And if it is visible on your screen, if it is like, already there under your mandatory course, please go and register today itself. Okay, because next week, Monday session இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. So on the sessionல வந்துட்டு, we will give you an overview of, we will get an industry speaker from the BPM industry itself, who will talk about the importance, your career, what can you expect in a BPM career, and the importance. So on the details எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு, you can hear it from an expert itself. So we will give you an session from the industry expert itself. Okay. So next week, Monday, same time we will have sessions. We will have sessions either at 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock you can join. We will have 2 sessions on Monday. Okay, so thank you everyone. Any issues, you can just log in back on the 3 o'clock call as well. So please ensure you complete the course by March 15th. Okay, please check with your SPOC in case it is still not visible. உங்களுக்கு அந்த mandatory course வரலன்னா, please, get it sorted out as early as possible. இல்லாட்டி உங்களுக்கு delay ஆகும். You will not be able to complete it on time. Yes, இது actually வந்துட்டு clearing, doubt clearing sessions, Kaveri. So we will not be taking you through the entire course as such. So course வந்துட்டு everybody has to do it in a self-paced mode. So நீங்க எந்த டைம்ல வேணாலும் you can complete the course. I mean, any time of the day I'm telling. But you should complete the entire course by March 15th. And these sessions are only for doubt clearing. Any doubt irundaduna, you can come back to us every Mondays, either 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So we will be sharing the Zoom sessions with your faculty. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, Deepali, for joining.
Thanks, Rufina. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.